trader to get all the ways that I trade, my indicators, all that good stuff. Spots are filling up. Again, I only have 2 tiers left, and once those get cut off, I'm probably just gonna end I'll probably just, stop not stop the Patreon, but I'm not gonna let anybody else in, or I'm gonna have a 4th tier and just up the prices like crazy, right? This is gonna be a quick TA, not really even a TA on Bitcoin. This is essentially me calling the top of this push here. We did go all the way down, right? So let me get rid of this channel. But again, channel to channel, came right back up, right? Essentially called the top here, and I said, hey, I think this is going to be the top at 72K. Traded sideways, up, down, whatever. Ultimately landed at 54.8 down here on Bitcoin, right? So you came down, right? Channel. This is probably mid-channel, right? You came all the way down to the mid-channel of this one, right? And right now you're at mid-channel of right here. Perfect, right? I think you're at the top right now, right? Essentially, that's what's going on. You can make you can't even make the argument, right? But this is essentially top of trend. This is your trend here, right there. Or you can actually just run this. Let's get that. Or you can actually run this as another channel, right, to the downside, because you already have 2 tops. So top, run this down. Boom. There you go. Perfect. Right? Channel, top, channel, top, bottom, mid, right? This is going to be the mid. So as of right now, I do think you're going lower. If you do break highs, right? If you break this, if you actually do come up and you break this, right? So if you actually do come up and you break this channel to the upside, let me see, how can I make this easier? So let me delete this one so I can make it clearer for you guys. If you actually come up, right, and you actually break this trend up here, then I will no longer be bearish, right? Even if the monthly is bearish, right? If you do break this, I think you're going to new highs of 78K. That's simple as that. If you break this trend up here and you're starting to trade somewhere above like 71K, 71.2, 71.4, somewhere up here, right? Then 100%, I think your next area is going to be 78K. It's as easy as that, right? I'll tell you guys right there. If you do break this trend right here, you're going to 78K. There's no reason for me to think otherwise. The monthly is, yes, it's on a bear trigger, and it rarely closes these bear month triggers. But if you do break this on the 24-hour, right, you do break this trend. I'm going to be shorting coin on Monday. So tomorrow at open, I will be buying puts on coin about a month out, because I do think you're topping on Bitcoin. But if you break on Bitcoin up here, right, like 71, like up here above this trend, right, you guys can use this chart to create your trends or to create your channels, right? If you break this trend, you're going to 78K, right? But as of right now, I do think that you're at the top. You're at the top of this channel right there, or you're at mid, sorry. There you go. You're at mid-channel trend. And I do think from here, you're going all the way back down. So if you look at the low end here, if you run this, then your next target would be somewhere down here. If you're running shorts, right, your next target would be somewhere down here at 51.5, right, breaking these lows. So again, I am bearish personally on Bitcoin still. No reason for me to be bullish. The monthly, the monthly is still bearish. There's no reason for me to think otherwise, that this is going to continue to go up. Right? So yes, on Monday at open, I will be shorting coin, because I do think there's a really good chance that you come all the way back down. But if you break that trend like I showed you guys, no reason for me to short. And I think that Bitcoin's going to 78K. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.